What's up, guys? It's your boy Matt here with another banger. Sorry guys, my TV's going off. I'll just give that a little bit of a shut up. Please give this video a like, comment, and share, and subscribe to our channel. Today I'm going to do like the cracking neck prank with the noodle in your mouth and crack, and yeah, it's called the break or cracking neck prank thing. So I'm gonna set the camera up, and then when she gets in here, I'm gonna be sitting on like the edge of the bed or something, and I'm just gonna be like, babe, can you crack my neck? And then she's gonna hear go. So I'm just gonna set this up. Sorry guys, I want to make sure this is a good shot, and the camera's pretty hidden. Alright guys, so I'm about to call her in here and talk to her. So let's try this. Babe!
What?
You have fun on the boat today?
Huh?
You have fun on the boat today?
Yeah, why?
Huh?
I don't mind.
I was just wondering.
I was getting there actually.
Yeah, me too. Take these bad boys off.
Yeah, you gotta take those off. I'm not taking them off from my feet, so I don't know.
Yeah, me too. You want to try to push on my back?
Your back?
Yeah.
Sure. Babe, we don't ever do that.
I'm going to try it.
Why?
I don't know. I want to see if it works.
Does it push?
Work on it like you normally do.
Yeah. You make me laugh. Hey, seriously?
Oh, mommy!
What is it doing? Hey, Dave!
Seriously, stop touching me! Ow!
I can't take you seriously. You're screaming like that. Friends, get your dad's butt.
Ow! Don't touch me! God damn it! My fucking back's broken!
No, it's not. Man, you're faking this.
I swear. Ah, my butt! Ah, damn it! Get off!
You're fucking...
Get her off! My back's fucking broke!
No, it's not.
Ow!
I can't take you serious. Babe!
Hey, stop!
Who's Jackie? Come on!
Ah, babe, stop touching my back, for real! Babe, stop!
Come on!
I'm not joking! Babe, ow!
Babe! Come on!
Seriously, you hurt my back!
Come on, Dave!
I can't move!
What if I told you we'd never do it on the fucking bed?
Oh, seriously!
Babe, come on, get off!
Seriously, I can't!
Get off!
You fucking hurt my back!
You need to step on it.
You should've!
You step on it! Babe, come on, get off!
I seriously can't!
Yes, you can.
No, I can't!
Yes, you can.
No, I seriously can't!
Get up!
I'm not joking!
Get up!
Ow, stop!
Get up!
I can't move!
You're
It hurts.
moving right
It hurts! Stop!
now! God, you're dead.
Seriously, ow!
She didn't even touch
It
you!
hurts bad! I can hardly breathe!
Diamond, stop!
Diamond!
Diamond, stop! Go!
Ah, Diamond, get off!
Diamond!
Ow! Get off!
She's going crazy. Hey, come on, get off. Nothing's wrong with you.
Yes, there is!
No, it's not. Stop! Go! Come on, get off!
can't.
Flip your body around. Flip it around.
Stop, for real. Ow. Ow. Hey, bring it, stop. It's not funny. My back seriously hurts.
I seriously can't take you serious. Man, you're fucking faking this shit.
I swear I'm not. It seriously hurt my back.
How would I hurt your back? You told me to step on it.
I don't know. You should have done it on bed.
You told me to do it on the bed. What do you fucking expect? Come on, baby, get
I
on.
can't.
Hey, come on.
I can't. You hurt my back. You need to call an ambulance.
Have insurance.
Yeah, I need to go to the hospital. I'm not joking.
Yeah, you are. Come on.
I swear.
Come on. I'm gonna tickle your booty.
Hey, stop. I can't stop. It's not funny.
Come on.
Have you ever heard when someone gets a back injury, you don't move them?
Come on.
Oh, babe. Ow.
Help me, girls. Come on. Get up.
I can't.
Come on.
Look. Ow. Oh.
Come on, try to fix it.
Stop. Come on. Stop. 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 Stop.
Come on. Babe, come on. Are you fucking kidding me? Get up. Princess, get him.
I can't get up. I'm telling you, you're hurting it worse and worse.
No, I'm not.
That's
You
fine.
didn't fucking break your back. You want to be moving like that.
I haven't moved. I'm talking in a fucking pair of shorts.
No, you're not anymore. Come on, get up.
I can't.
Why can't you?
My back feels numb. I can't feel it.
Your back feels
It's
numb.
broken. I have no movement.
I moved you already.
Yeah, and you fucking hear me yelling at you, fucking stop? It fucking hurts.
Come on, get
I
up.
can't. You fucked my back up.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you
You
did.
did?
You
You
did.
did it. You just said.
Shut up. You know what I fucking mean.
You said, yeah, I did. You did it, not me. You told me to step on your back. I didn't even know that was going to happen like this, and you did it. So, it's all on you.
Why did you step on my back?
Because you told me to step on your back, and I always do. I said, babe, we never do it on the bed. Why are we not doing it on the ground? And you said, I just want to try it this way.
And it's fucking my back up, and you don't understand.
Well, come on, go.
I can't.
Oh my god, this is a fucking prank, ain't it?
No.
Babe, come on, get up.
I can't feel my hand. I don't feel it.
Why are you moving it? Let me see if you can.
Stop! I'm not joking. Stop! Ow!
You're joking.
No, I'm not.
You're tickling it.
I seriously can't move. Help me. Get in the fucking plane, you asshole! You don't even care! There's the fucking camera, you jerk.
I didn't see it.
You're a jerk. You don't love me. She'll make my back worse, guys.
That's funny. That's funny, huh?
She hates me.
So you put the camera behind the dog food, the dog treat, so I don't see it. Alright.
At least you love me.
Alright.
Well,
So I'm gonna
I
get
told
him.
You stopped. But now mommy hates me and don't care if my back's broken.
You know what? I gotta figure it was a prank, guys. But I didn't see the camera. But
No, she did, because when I looked up the one time, her eyes were teary, so she actually felt bad.
no, I didn't.
Yeah, I see.
No, I didn't.
Look, now you're trying to
No,
play
I
it off.
didn't. No, I didn't. No, I
Liar.
didn't. No, I didn't. Bye, guys. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna get back with a banger prank than this because this one's pretty slack. But what?
I'm going to bed.
All right.
My
Peace,
back
guys.
broke.
See you guys.